So, hi all of you. Today my topic is explain chemical bonding and its type by Mr. Swami Tarun Chandan, guided by Miss Rupali Thakre, Sanjuni Art Commerce Science College Kopargaon. So, the content of my topic is definition and type of bonding. So, the definition is chemical bond. A chemical bond is a force that holds two or more atoms together in a molecule or compound by sharing, transferring, or pulling of an electron. Why do atoms form bonds? To attain stability, to lower their potential energy, to complete their valence shell. Type of chemical bonding: ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, hydrogen bond. Type Type first of bonding: ionic bond. Ionic bond formed by complete transfer of electron from one atom to another occur between metal which lost electron and non-metal with gain electrons, result in the formation of positive ion means cation and negative charge ion means anion which attach each other. Example: sodium chloride. Type second of bonding: covalent bond. Covalent bond formed by the sharing of one or more pair of electron between two atoms. Typically occurs between non-metal atom, can be single, double or triple bond depending on the number of sharing of a electron pair. Example: water H2O, oxygen molecule O2. Type third of a chemical bond: metallic bond. The metallic bond occur between the metal atom. Electrons are not associated with a single atom but are free to move, delocalize throughout the structure, lead to properties like conductivity, mutability, and ductility. Example: copper Cu, aluminium. Type 4 of a bonding: hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond: weak bond between a hydrogen atom covalently bonded to a electronegativity atom like oxygen or nitrogen and another electronegative atom. Example: water molecule bond with each other. So thank you all of you to giving your valuable time. Have a good day. Thank you all of you.